Every function starts with inputs and produces outputs. Domain and range are the words we use to organize those inputs and outputs. On a graph, the domain is read along the x-axis. The range is read along the y-axis. The question is always which x values are allowed and which y values actually appear. Take the function e equals x squared. Every real number is a valid input, so the domain is all real numbers. But the outputs never drop below 0. The lowest point is the vertex. So the range is every value from 0 upward. The square root function only accepts inputs from 0 upward. Negative inputs have no real square root, so the domain starts at 0 and goes right. The outputs also begin at 0 and climb upward, so the range is 0 and above. The reciprocal function, y equals 1 over x, has a gap. Division by 0 is undefined, so x equals 0 is removed from the domain. And the output can never be 0, so y equals 0 is removed from the range. To read a domain, scan left to right along the x-axis and collect the inputs that are used. To read a range, scan bottom to top along the y-axis and collect the outputs that appear. Always look for gaps, endpoints, and values the graph approaches but never reaches. Domain is what can go in, and range is what can come out.